Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping slides and assets so export is smooth. Open PowerPoint, set page to 16 by 9 and 1920 by 1080 so YouTube shows crisp video. Import images, logos, and background music into one folder to avoid broken links later. Once done, apply a slide master for consistent fonts and spacing. This saves time and prevents layout drift. Make sure text is large enough for screen viewing, and keep animations minimal for cleaner export and better viewer retention. Now animate, record, and narrate your presentation with intent. Add purposeful entrance and exit animations, then set slide timings in seconds so pacing matches narration. Next, use slideshow record slideshow to capture your voice, slide timings, and ink gestures, speak conversationally, and pause between ideas. Once recorded, preview every slide and adjust audio levels so peaks sit near -6 dB, making voices clear over music. If needed, trim silence or re-record a single slide rather than the whole file. Finish by exporting, uploading, and troubleshooting to ensure a polished YouTube video. Go to File, Export, Create a Video, choose Full HD 1080p and 30 frames per second, and select recorded timings and narrations. Export to MP4, then watch the file end-to-end. Make sure audio sync and levels match. Upload to YouTube, add chapters and thumbnail. If audio sync or animation glitches appear, re-record the problematic slide or export each slide as its own MP4 and stitch in a simple video editor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.